Dagat! Look at that! Huh? Like it?
Are we tumbling sa dagat?
No, we can check it out. Look, so nice! You wanna check it out?
Is there a beach there?
Yes!
I wanna go to the beach.
Let's go. But we can, I don't know kung we can go there kasi it's so lalim. Oh, look. It's so lalim. So we can just walk around, yeah?
I wanna see a great beach.
I don't know. Let's see.
Pacifica.
Pacifica. Look at that. Look, so lalim.
So rolling. You wanna go beach?
Malayo yan, anak. You wanna check it out? Look, layo.
I wanna go to beach.
Come on,
with,
buhat kita.
No.
Buhat lang kita dito. You want?
Baka itumba there. Baka itumba dun.
Alin yan?
Baka itumba dun.
Opo.
So do not go here.
Okay.
Do not.
I think you're right. Look, so nice.
Do not.
Opo.
I'm okay lang.
You're okay lang?
I'm okay lang.
Opo.
Because allow, see.
Opo.
To go straight is going sa baba.
Okay.
To go there is going sa baba.
I'm not sure, anak. I don't know this place.
Pacifica.
Look, meron
See?
dong ano.
My waves.
Yes.
Wave. Look.
Lamok?
Did you see that one?
Opo,
I
lamok.
cannot see it small.
I know.
May camouflage yan.
Camouflage. Camouflage.
Ah!
Mhm.
Let's go back to the car.
See, we're on top of the mountain. How can we get there? Sa bottom.
See? It's going down. So, see? To go down is going straight and then and then there, across there.
Okay.
Across there.
You think so?
I don't know.
Mhm.
I don't know. See, look, may waves pa.
I know that.
Baka malunod.
Baka malunod ka.
Salt water.
Yes. O, ba't kuha tayo ng water dyan pang aquarium?
Okay. Okay.
May
Okay.
ganon.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Can we go to the bottom?
I don't know. So beautiful, huh?
But how do we get to the bottom?
I don't know too. Tsaka malayo na yan kay Mami. Pag bumaba tayo dyan, baka malayo na tayo kay Mami.
The map?
Opo.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Beach Boulevard.
Pacifica. Look at the
Tsunami?
wave. Yes.
Mud.
Mud. Ah!
Ah! Ah! Mud.
Mud?
Mud.
Oh. Look at that. So lalim. Ang lakas ng wave, oh.
You wanna go to sand?
No? Wala kang pamalit.
I like to go to the sand.
No. It's wet. Wala kang pamalit.
Ooh. I wanna go there. Ooh. Woo.
You like it? Pacifica. Oh no, baka may tsunami. Wala naman.
Wala.
Picture kita. Tim, smile ka.
Hello.
ka sa akin, anak. Picture kita.
Like it's fun to stand there, but then if what happened if
Really
it got,
dangerous.
yeah,
Yeah.
it got pulled out, then you don't fight with the wave, you don't fight with the water. You try to relax and bring your swimmers, of course.
Sometimes it's so fun. When some kids they got drowned, they
Yeah.
got tired.
They get dead.
Even some people know how to swim, but it's so dangerous.
Oh, see?
Yeah. When crabbing, you catch a crab.
In San Francisco, I see a wave that
Yeah. But here even powerful. You see, that's why they close up here. They don't
and
let
now-
people go.
Oh yeah, I
Wow.
noticed that.
Yeah. Because these few days is almost like 30 feet high. The wave.
That's how you make a wave. Put your hands underwater and then shake the hands.
Yes,
Yeah.
you're correct.
Make the tsunami wave.
Yeah, tsunami even much stronger. Tsunami will be go on top of us if we have tsunami now.
Like mega waves.
I hope we don't have tsunami. Otherwise,
Let's go na, I don't have battery. Hindi na tayo makauwi kay mami. Tama?
Sand.
Yeah, pinush ng dagat here, oh. See? Yung sand. The waves push the sands here. The sand here. Yeah, next time dyan tayo. Sa Milagro Ridge Trail. Okay?
How about winter break?
That's the freeway, anak. Hindi, may dagat doon.